Hi guys, Justin Thompson here at Smail Honda in Greensburg, PA. Here to show you a video on how to connect your wireless Android Auto to your Honda vehicle. What you're going to want to do is, once you have the vehicle on and running, you're going to go into the Settings tab on your Android. And then from there, go into Connected Devices. And then here's where we're going to connect. We can go straight into the phone, connect a new device. Now, go to Pair New Device. And there it is, Honda HR-V. You can just click on it and hit pair whenever it asks. And then all you have to do is click on Android Auto and hit connect. And it will automatically load in a second. Whenever your phone connects wirelessly, or if you have it plugged in, it will ask if you want Honda Link Assist on. This is the event of an accident. God forbid, if the airbags deploy, it will call emergency services automatically. So we're going to go ahead and hit yes. Hit continue on the touchscreen. And now we're connected to Android Auto. Got some music going on here. And it will bring up whatever you had previously set up. So for instance, on this phone, Spotify was on. So it'll automatically link up the music media on there. But you can play whatever you want. Any supported applications are going to show up here on the touchscreen. This little circle to the left is like the home button. You click on that, that's going to bring you back to all the applications that are supported. Google Maps is on there, Spotify, YouTube Music. You have all your phone contacts, all your text messaging. Here's your messages. Reminders. You can even remind yourself to pick up groceries at the grocery store, and it will remind you in here. So you're using Google on your phone as your concierge to whatever you want. So whether you want to make a phone call, text message, hands-free with punctuation, or use any of the navigation apps that are supported. So let me demonstrate. I'll just go to the top of the screen here. Let's say we wanted to get directions somewhere. All you have to do is hold the voice command button down for a few seconds to bring up Google. Directions to Red Lobster.
Red Lobster is 1 minute from your location by car in light traffic.
And it will automatically bring up the Google Maps and your turn-by-turn directions. Well, thank you very much for watching. If you have any questions, please leave them in the comment section below. Visit us online at smailhonda.com or ask for me, Justin Thompson, right here on Route 30 in Greensburg, PA. Thanks again for watching.